Hello cellos! Today we're going to do Pizzicato hiccups in our books. So first we're going to talk about pizzicato, which you know means plucking. So when we pluck, we need to remember that we hold our cello properly, but we don't actually, today we're not going to use our fingers. You can just hold your cello here to keep it safe. Your thumb needs to go down at the edge of the fingerboard here and stay, like it's stuck on with glue. This is going to keep your hands sturdy so that I can move around like this and it's all just stuck by my thumb. Give me a wave. So now I'm going to use just one finger to pluck like this. Yeah, one more time. Good job. Okay, try and copy these patterns. So we'll go T, 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 T. Go. Ta, T, T, ta, T, T. Good job. Okay, so for pizzicato hiccups, we need to think about the rhythm first. So the first bar is just tas. We're going to have ta, 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 and it's all only on the D and the A string. So you've got your two highest strings. So they're going to be the ones farthest away from your thumb. Here's your A, here's your D. So we have D, A, D, A. Now you try. One more time. D, A, D, A. Your turn. The second bar we have sh, ta, ta, sh. So you need to remember to rest on beat 1 or you will make a mistake. Sh, ta, ta, sh. Like this. Sh, D, oopsie, backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, sh. A, D. Good job. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, sh. A, D. Good. So now we've got to put them together. It will sound like this. D, A, D, A, sh, A, D. And you actually do that twice in a row. Let's try it. The whole top line together. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, A, D, A, A, D, D, A, D, A, A, D. Then we have 3 whole bars of rest where we get to rock out a bit to the music. You remember that there's 4 heartbeats in each one of those bars. I'm going to make a video for you to play along with.